Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Let me discuss about the process face authentication with makeup changes. Let us discuss about the flow of the process. This system provides a correlation based scheme for makeup constant face authentication process. Based on the studied correlation basis, the makeup and the non-makeup faces will be projected and the faces were identified to belong to be a same person or different persons. The transformations were based on the projections on the land faces. The images were divided into patches. So each patches means the face regions, that is the left eye, left cheek, right cheek, eye pad, forehead, lips, noses, like that. So the images were split into patches and the features were extracted from those patches. So for feature extraction, PCA, LBB, HOG were used, and along with that the statistical information such as entropy, mean and standard deviation were also calculated as features. Those values were saved and they were first classified into makeup or non-makeup faces using a support vector machine classifier. After that, using the cross-correlation analysis and partial least square regression, the faces were authenticated. Thus, a application system which authenticates the person even in with makeup changes is proposed. Let us discuss about the flow of the process. Initially, the face images were taken. So we have to give two images as input. So first we pre-process those two images and we extract features from those images. So before feature extraction, we separate the images into several patches and we extract the features for each patches. So each image is divided into eye pair, eye, left cheek, right cheek, like that, and the features were extracted for them. So these are all the different types of features extracted for those face patches. And then finally the face is classified to be makeup or non-makeup. Then after that we provide authentication using canonical cross correlation. Partial least square regression is used, and based on those the face images were authenticated. So we can find whether the input face is authenticated person or not authenticated person even with makeup changes. Let me discuss about the running procedure of the process. If you want to run the code, select the file main.m which is present in the source code folder. Right click it and click on run. This user interface will be displayed. Click on input button. You can give the two inputs for the process. So we are giving two inputs. So first image is created and then give the second image. The two inputs were created, they were pre-processed, and after that the features were extracted for the images. So as you can see, the images were divided into patches. So these features were extracted for all these three patches. Uh, when we click on mean, the mean feature were calculated and it is displayed for each patch that is separated. Then similarly standard deviation feature, then entropy feature, then LBB feature, that is calculated. Then after that we detect in the face images. So when we click on makeup detection, SVM is used in order to classify the face images into makeup or non-makeup face. So as you can see, in the first face makeup is detected and the second face no makeup is detected. Then after that we recognize the face images. These two graphs represents the correlation points identified in the features extracted for both images. Then this is the matching correlation points identified in both images. Then after that, based on the identified correlation, the face images were recognized. So the two persons were recognized as the same persons. Then after that we measure the performance of the process. The accuracy is calculated and it is displayed here. So here for this dataset we have obtained 87.5% accuracy. Then we are plotting the ROC curve and we are obtaining the confusion matrix. So these two performance measures gives us the information regarding all the performances of the process. Thus we have analyzed the face images and we find whether the face image is makeup or non-makeup, and after that we recognize those face images using the correlation of the feature points extracted. Thank you.